give him a little time and wear him out.
Yep.
Nobody gets a coho.
Oh man, I better. They're coming alive now.
Anyway, you use that lure, right?
What's that?
God.
Yeah. Exactly. Like I said.
I think he's another king. That's what you ordered.
Jeez, man.
You said you like kings. I'll hook you kings.
Yeah. I had to tell Ron, what are you doing with my pole? Don't, oh, I was gonna say, don't let him go.
Hey, gaining on him.
Yeah.
When he sees the boat, he might take off again.
Yeah, when he sees the boat.
Yeah.
When he sees the ugly guy that caught him.
I just saw him.
Yeah.
Yeah, there he is.
There. You seen you, kid?
Oh, man. It's a king.
Yeah, I think it's so strong. Look at that.
There he is, he's still.
Strong, strong, strong.
Yeah. They have some weight to throw around, that's for sure.
Break him off.
Mm-mm. Try not to.
Man. Hornfish jumping.
Boy, it's cold out this morning.
I know, I don't.
It's starting to get a little cold.
There he is.
It was nice at my house. I looked, it was like 50 degrees.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's fish all over out there. It's going to be sticking feet
Silvers are
crazy.
coming alive.
Look at that.
Yeah. You have to stay out here for a little boat, probably.
Look at that bugger.
It's wearing down, I think.
That'll.
Nice little coho.
Oh, yeah.
Coming in. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that.
Not the biggest fish out there, but he's a nice looking fish. Oh.
He's still got some power.
Boy, he's got to give up here and keep going. He's going to fight hard. Just about ready to roll over, I think.
Mm-hmm.
Looks like he's about 17 pounds, 16 pounds.
Oh, he's right.
Yeah, he has bright fish.
Man. He's a fighter.
Alright, let's see if we can get his head up and slide him right into me.
There you go.
Nicely done.
There you go.
Nicely done.